No, say we don't already measure our length. We be 11 inches. We don't measure our width. We be 8 inches. We will come cut our paper. We go be 11 inches long and 8 inches wide. I ain't go be. This one are 8 inches. This one are 11 inches. I can't take the paper, come fold down for the middle like this. Now show you, I go show now. See am. This one go still be 11 inches. This one will come be 4 inches. This one are the fold. Now see I'm there. Since I don't fold am now, I'll come take for the top, come measure quarter for the top. You don't say we fold down. By the time we open them, now ½ inch in go be. How I don't measure my quarter for the top now, I'll come take my ruler, come draw and go down like this. Go reach the end of the paper where we don't fold. After we don't draw them like that, I'll come measure, since I know that 11 inches they here. I'll come take my tape rule, come measure that same 11 inches. Wherever in there, I go cut them. As I cut them like that, come cover and go like this. Now so our triangular flares go be. Now here we go cut 8 of this triangular flares. By the time we open up, now so it go be. So this now the triangular flares we will use. We go cut 8 of them. This one go cut 8 pieces. Now we will cut for this our triangular flares. Come put them for inside our 8-piece fish skirt. We will come go to the table, go do our pattern. Come see how it will be. So we'll come begin our pattern. We will first fold our paper into 2. Okay. We don't fold them. The next thing we go do be say we go first measure our waist. Our waist where we go use now 218. Don't forget say 218. After 2 you go see another 18. Just mark am like that. 218. Come mark am there. We come measure our waist to hip. Our waist to hip now 8 inches we go use. Come measure our waist to break. Now 15 inches we go use. Our blouse, our skirt length, now 26 inches we won't use. Because you say this skirt we won't make, now short skirts we won't make. I'll come measure my hips here. My hips here I won't use now 2 3/4. Come measure my break. My break where I won't use now 2 1/4. The flare where I won't use now 4 inches I go put here. I can't begin the connector. I don't tell you, I say the space where they for between these points where we put here now. Not too much space there, so we fit connector with ruler. We don't connect them now. Now you can't measure the measurements where they here. Come put them for the other side. This one na 11. You see say e no plenty, just small. Now I go cut one part comot, come do my triangular flare. Make I even cut am comot, come do our triangular flare as well after we cut am. This is now our 8-piece fish piece wey dey here. I can't take this paper wey dey here now. Come measure 11 inches by 8 inches comot. That one na for the fish piece, like for the triangular flare. I don't see say the 8 inches wey we wan use be like say e too wide. Make I reduce am small. Because say we no want make it dey too big. So as we see am now for paper, we go see the exact measurement. So make am 6.5. Make it no dey too big. Just reduce am small like that. This one dey okay now. I'll come cut am comot. So the new measurement wey we go use for this our triangular flare, the width wey we wan use, everything together na 6.5 inches. Maybe just change am here. We go just use 6.5 inches. 6.5 inches. May I leave am like that? This one, everything dey inside, including the seam allowance. Everything don dey inside. So I come fold them into 2. After I don fold them into 2 now, I go measure 1/4 for top. Now 1/4 inch I measure there. I can't take my ruler, come draw am down now. After I don't draw am down, I go check, since na 11 wey dey here. Now 11 inches I go come measure for that line. You go see where it stop. Now here it stop. So I can't cover am. Go the end. You can't cut and come out now. This one our fish flare we go dey there. This one dey okay now. Now say we don already cut our 8-piece fish skirt. Now here it go dey. As we dey sew am, we go dey put am for inside. Now we come carry our material, come begin to cut our pattern now.